Hey everyone, it's Michael Tiny Soul. It is Sunday, June 5th at 9:02 p.m. This is Forex Trading Analysis for Monday, June 6th, 2011. Just going to go over the two open positions that the video has. I'll go through the whole list of crosses and pairs in tomorrow's update. The Aussie versus the Canadian dollar triggered off on Friday with a 4:30 entry. We moved stops. It did not come back to stop out. It came real close, though. I think it was a tick away. So we're still in this one as per the video rules, looking for half off plus 100. Changed this to the second half off plus 160 from 200, and the stops are now 481. So locking in 51 ticks on this one if it does turn around. Okay, and then the second position is the euro versus the dollar. This one we're underwater in, shorted at 45.84. Stop is 46.84. Came 30 ticks or so shy of that. Looking to move stops after a 30-tick gain. It didn't happen. I think we went down 20 ticks before it ramped up. End of day on Friday. Still looking at half off plus 100, half off plus 300 if it finds resistance into this upper Keltner channel line. Okay, so that's it. Have a great trading day on Monday. I'll do a full analysis on Tuesday of our list, and I'll talk to everybody again tomorrow.